Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. Here it is, Fun Friday and Good Friday. So I hope you're having a wonderful day and you've got some wonderful plans for this weekend. It's a little cold here still in Texas. We've had some really hot weather. We got up into the 90s earlier this week, and then this week, towards the end of the week, we had some dropping temperatures. We're in the 40s, some areas are in the 30s. It's just crazy. So, um, I had planned to finish up this album today. Life just keeps getting in the way, so I do apologize. But I did get all my goodies in that I want to decorate with. Now, let me just say that I purchased these already cut and everything. I've just got to glue them together. I think they're simply adorable. If you have a Cricut machine where you can go to Design Space, I would assume that you could probably find similar things and cut them out for your book if you're doing the Homer's Diner. I am not sharing the link to this because it's not a Country Craft Creations product, but you could use Country Craft Creations Artisan cardstock or My Colors. The My Colors would be great. And find you some files in Design Space if you have the Cricut machine. I don't have the big Cricut. I just have the little Joy. And cut you up some wonderful little die cuts to decorate your book too. So I'm going to be decorating mine off camera and have it finished, I hope, by next week. I don't know if there's some extra things that I need to do in some of the pockets and things. If so, I will also do that on camera for next week before we wrap this up. So I had thought I would do it this week, and then with the holiday, and then I had some design team projects I just really didn't needed to knock out. And also, with it being April, it's almost income tax filing time, and I have a few of those that I have got to get done. So I do apologize for that. Um, so what I have here is the Route 66, a jukebox, rock and roll, drive-in. Aren't they cute? The car, the back part of a car, sock hop, the poodle skirt I absolutely adore, the ice cream sundae, and a pair of sunglasses. So these are all super cute, and I think will really make this Homer's Diner remake of the Route 66 album really pop. Also, in my first Fun Friday video, I showed uh, some of the tools that I really like to use. And in that, I showed a We Are Memory Keepers guillotine uh, trimmer. And I don't have it here in my craft room anymore because I took it downstairs to our business office because while I love how it cuts really straight when you, of course, it's a personal thing. I have to line up my paper right. That wasn't the issue. The issue was with the handle when you're cutting and you leave it up or just leave it up to line up your paper, it would come down and cut. And I just can't have that when I'm doing the design team projects because um, I go real fast and I've got to have something else. So I ordered from Country Craft Creations what's called the Caterpillar Pro. And you can also get what's called the crop. I believe it's called the crop that folds in half. But I don't like cutters that fold in half because it divides your ruler line. Okay. This one I love. It's got a learning curve to it. You have to, you know, press in with this bar. I do use it upside down. This is the ruler here. Now, I will say that it comes, I wish it came in a different color. It's a bright green. I don't know if you can tell. But anyway, the ruler is also in green, and you can't see it. But I fixed that. I searched online. You just take some white acrylic paint and rub it on there, brush it on there, and then take a baby wipe, a good paper towel, and just wipe it off, and it leaves the paint in the grooves where the numbers are. I may have to redo it sometimes, but now I can see my numbers, and I love it so much better. So that is the trimmer that I'm using now. Is this Caterpillar Pro that you can? Oh, and it does have a light that you can turn on. See here, and then you can through your not your dark papers but your lighter papers, you can lay it on there and see where the cut line, because the cut line's right there where that metal is. But anyway, that's pretty cool. If you haven't seen those, you might want to check those out. And then I just got this Caterpillar self-healing cutting mat. Now this is the mat here, and underneath it has a glow. So this is the Caterpillar Glow. These two come together, again, from Country Craft Creations. I've got it plugged in, charging. You can turn it off, and then a lighter light, and then again, and the brighter. Now, in my camera, what it does when it's fully bright, you see all this as the white color, and this kind of has this yellowy glow. Let me know what you think. Is that distracting? Does that bother you? Or will you be able to focus just on this lighted part when I'm working on a video? So I'm kind of undecided about that. I'm really excited that it makes it easier to see what you're working on. I do have to have the overhead light. Let's see what it looks like without the overhead light. See, I could do that, but it's still dark. So anyway, that's my newest tool that I wanted to share with you that you might want to check out at countrycraftcreations.com. So that's it for today's Fun Friday. I'm sorry I'm not making anything. I have got to go to the office and do income tax report. I could wait till next week, but that's pushing it. I'd like to do it today, get it over with, get it done, get it sent off, e-filed, and all that good stuff, and then I can start crafting. I also have my Easter album done for Country Craft Creations using PhotoPlay's bunnies and blooms. I have not edited the tutorial video yet, so I've got to do a showcase video on that one this weekend, and I'm going to try to have that done by tomorrow or Sunday, Easter Sunday, Easter album on Sunday, Easter Sunday. Schedule it to be published that day. Okay, so that's it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you just happen to find me today and you're not a subscriber, please do so. Click the bell so you'll be notified of my next video. And I do have in the works what I'm going to be doing after I finish the Homer's Diners album, something quick and easy that we can make for upcoming summer vacation trips, I think. We'll do that for Fun Friday, and I have some other projects in the works that I'm planning on. So I'm working on my design team package, like I said, the Easter album, finishing up on that. So anyway, everybody, have a great, blessed weekend, and I will catch you later. And be sure to check out countrycraftcreations.com for your paper crafting supplies. Bye-bye.